Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Tea Time Style Time. Today I have an Alex and Ani bracelet unboxing, and I have a quick look at the earrings I ordered to go with it from Ana Luisa. So here are the earrings I received from Ana Luisa, and I did buy these with my own money. They're not sponsoring me or anything. The company's carbon neutral, and what I really love is the quality of their earrings for the price. They had a new type of dust bag I was really impressed with. It's a nice contrast to the velvet bags that I've received in the past. So here are the earrings. These are the Zeus earrings, cubic zirconia, and little lightning bolts. They're named after the Olympian god Zeus from Greek mythology, and I'm really excited to show you how I plan to use these. Here's a slightly closer look up front. They are very shimmery, and I really like the quality. They are very lightweight as well. I meant to answer this question earlier, but these earrings, you can see that the mechanism to open and close it is pretty easy. You just snap it closed like that. Here's a nice look at the earrings. So the next clips I have here are the bangle Alex and Ani bracelets I purchased online from Disney. I have the Hercules set, the lightning bolt, which is the symbol of the gods in the movie Hercules, and the baby Pegasus. They can be pretty pricey, but I had a gift card that I like to use for them. Another thing to note is that they are not necessarily the best quality, but the designs do come and go. So if you see one you like, it's important to jump on it right away. I think they're either brass or something similar to it. The material is pretty stiff. You do get one charm on each bracelet, the Disney charm and the copyright charms. They can be a little hard to open. You have to open and close it, pinch it. You can kind of slide it. I'm not really sure the best way to describe it. When you do wear them, the weight of the bracelet does go to the bottom half, so it can be hard to see the design at times. Here I have the Ana Luisa earrings for Mod Shot next to the bracelets. You can also see the owl necklace I have from Greece. I'd like to put them together as a little set, and I'll have some mod shots for that coming up in a quick other video. I just wanted to share my upcoming collection with you. Thank you so much for spending some of your precious time with me. I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you on the next go round.